Hi! Finally, I got my CM machine out of my new workshop and it's still not connected. I have bought the X Pro 5 and I will have to build the control box, which will be a part of this video here. I have also got my computer out here that I will use with open bin control. Over there, where you see the computer is, there will be a desk that I will also finish, so I get everything up and the computer will be below the desk. So for the X Pro 5, I want to show you the next step here. So let us go to the other end of the workshop. So this represents the size of the box itself. It will be 5 centimeters higher. This plexiglass plate is the door for the box. So I want to show into the box. For this occasion, I've also bought me another VFD, which I will use only for this project. My old VFD will be used for another winter project. There will be an emergency stop. There will be a switch on and a little light to see that it is switched on. Then there will be a 24 volt power supply and a power inlet with an EMI filter. So what is that? Basically it filters all the noise from the power, so it not should interfere with especially the X Pro version 5 here. And it did work quite well on the other. I never had any problems, so I will also install this. It also have a fuse on 10 amps, which is absolutely enough, and I have never changed it. So this is the basic settings. The VFD came manufactured, was quite cheap. I think they gave around 100 euros, or was it $100? I don't know. I think it was dollars. And it comes manufactured with a very nice printed manual. So the next step now is for me to make the button of the control box. And yeah, let me dive into that. So far so good. Well, I was excited and wanted to connect my X Pro box to my computer. And I even cleaned up a computer, I reset it to Windows 10 and everything. And yeah, I got contact with it, but then I lost the contact again. And another thing was, it was really difficult to establish contact through the USB port. I always got it was not valid, or it was something else, so I dived into that, thought it was something with the driver, something else, and couldn't really find out that there was something wrong with the computer. But anyway, I tried 2 other computers, got exactly the same result. I tried 3 different softwares. I had OpenOffice Control, I had the CNJs and also the UGS, and the same everywhere. So after matter of fact some weeks, my patience was over. I don't like this kind of problems. The day after, it has been standing still. It came again and I could contact the box. And then I lost contact again with the box, and yeah, and while I had contact with the box, I really tried to connect the tool head as well and followed the quite spare instructions that is for this setup, but I never got it to work. On my DDCS controller it was really a piece of cake, and it worked flawless immediately. But this box I really got tired of, so I scrapped it and I bought this new Mach3 Breakout board, which I will receive in some few days. And I also have I have several of these stepper drivers here, and my controllers and everything, so it's not really a big change. I'm a little pissed that I used the money on this one, and but it's okay. Sometimes things are messing up. So I'm excited to get that. I will of course then use for the first time a Mach3, but I also made my own template that will be available in the next video for download if you want to use it for free, of course. So thank you so much. That was my journey of the X Pro V5, and it was very short and very painful. So see you next time with hopefully with better results on the Breakout board.